Come on, Jamaica. We are celebrate 60 years of independence. But we keep we culture alive, man. Yes. My nanny Lynn used to say, take king teeth and keep a heart bone. Yes. Take bad things, make laugh. Look, man, we need to find humor in every situation. You know, so that's how we do, we laugh after everything. Remember when we used to be at school, and you see all when picnic drop, you laugh first before you go help them. Talk truth, you used to do that too. But yes, we must find humor in everything. Life too short. And I tell you, this is another fact. And we need to keep the culture alive and tell the little one them. You know that in 1997, Jamaica became the first English-speaking Caribbean country to qualify for the World Cup. Yeah, man, soccer, football, lovely football. I remember the excitement and going off. But yes, please celebrate and support the reggae boys and the reggae girls because we did it once, we can do it again. Yes, man. I saw we little and we talawa. So what good? I stay hip. All right. So you know what good? I stay hip, you hear? Humble, intentional and prepared. Yes, man. I am Dr. Sue and I am a cultural ambassador. Me here to help keep we culture alive. Follow me. Follow me on my website, drsueandyou.com. That's the letter U, DRSUEAND, the letter U.com. Me dey on Instagram, Dr. Sue D, and Twitter and Facebook, Dr. Sue and You. Look out for me, all right? Come together and make we keep this rich culture alive. Ay, ay, ay.